Our research is focused on recovery, regeneration after nerve injury, spinal cord injury, as well as in neurodegenerative diseases such as amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. Our research is very important because injuries and diseases affecting the nervous system leads to irreversible deficits to patients and even the death. And it's important to highlight that there is currently no effective treatments for such conditions yet. Moreover, the number of patients diagnosed with neurodegeneration and neurotrauma has increased dramatically in the last years and is expected to further increase in the next decades. For that reason, there is an urgent need to develop novel treatments for injuries and diseases affecting the nervous system. We aim to unravel the mechanisms leading to neurological disorders. We strongly believe that this deeper knowledge on the pathophysiology of such conditions may pave the way to develop novel treatments to reduce the neurological deficits to patients and ultimately translate these treatments to the clinical setup.